Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to solve yet another task of 100 days of AWS series by KodeKloud engineer, and in today's task we need to create an IAM user. So IAM user is an identity created by AWS for a user to grant certain permissions to a user or grant certain permission to a application. So for this, log into AWS console, go to IAM, click on users, click on create user, and the name of the user is IAM user Yusuf. Click on next. So as of now we don't have to specify any permission and add user to any group or attach any policies. So just click on next and click on create user. Our user is created. So let's verify our task. Yes,